A mala is a strand of beads, typically 108 in number, sometimes shorter, used to count mantras. To use the mala, drape the mala over the last 3 fingers of your dominant hand. If there's a guru bead or a tassel, you'll want those facing towards you as I have it here. The index finger is left off the mala. It's said to be accusatory. So we use the thumb to, one at a time, draw a bead towards us each time we complete a mantra. For example, Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. So as you can see, I'm drawing a bead towards me with my thumb each time I finish the mantra. When you complete a full mala and get all the way back to where the guru bead shows up again, we don't want to just continue past the guru bead. We want to turn the mala. In order to do that, I'll take my thumb under the mala, let the mala fall onto my thumb, take my 3 fingers back into the mala, let them drape over my hand again, and then I'm ready to continue again. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha, Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha, Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha, and so on. Let me show that to you one more time. I've gone all the way around the mala, and I've gotten back to the point where the guru bead appears. So now I'm going to take my thumb under the mala. It's going to drape onto my thumb. Then the 3 fingers are going to go back inside. I'm going to release the thumb from the mala, and I'm ready to go again. This is the way that I've been taught to use a mala. Other traditions may do so differently, but I hope this helps you in learning to use your mala.